We're making pirate map nails today, starting with 2 coats of Kokoist Chiffon Greige. Then I'm going over top with Bourbon Brown to basically make a smooshy mess on top. This is how we're going to get that tea-stained look. I did a lot of fussing off camera as well, and this is how it turned out. Then I'm going to use bitter chocolate and put just a tiny amount on my angular brush. And I'm painting a line around the edges. This will make the burnt edges of our pirate map, and then I'm going to blend the edges into the middle. My phone died, so I didn't catch all the blending on camera, but once I was done with all my fingers, got my phone back and recorded the rest using one of the new Mani by Me plates from Maniology. As always, if you use my code MYSTIC10 on their website, you will get 10% off your order. I'm using the pirate map image on this plate. I'm using straight up black, putting that onto the plate, scraping with my scraper, and then picking up the image with the stamper. Then I line up the image with my nail, stamp it down. I repeated this step across all 4 nails using different parts of the pirate map image. We gotta go with matte top coat on this one. Since this is a gel mani, I do recommend using glossy top coat first because the matte top coat will smudge the stamp. And that's it, we have ourselves a pirate map mani. If you like this tutorial, please hit that like button, and I'd love if you considered subscribing. Thanks for watching!